सो हेलो गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। तो इस वीडियो को चालू करने से पहले देख लेते हैं कि हम किस चीज़ के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं आज की वीडियो में। सो लेट्स गो। Okay, so as you already have watched the video for VIT Vellore, so I know बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रेस हो चुके हो तुम उसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर देखने के बाद। तो अब बात कर लेते हैं कुछ रियलिटी के बारे में। ठीक है, क्या रियलिटी है यहाँ की, क्या एक्चुअल में यहाँ होता है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। सो बेसिकली VIT Vellore is VIT Vellore is established in 1984 as Vellore Institute of Technology। ओके, सो टोटल कैंपसेस की बात कर लेते हैं। तो VIT Vellore हैज इन टोटल 4 कैंपसेस विच इज VIT Vellore, VIT चेन्नई, VIT भोपाल एंड VIT अमरावती। VIT Vellore is the most oldest one and most famous and the main campus, and after that VIT Chennai, which is established in 2010, and then VIT AP and VIT Bhopal. Okay, so talking about the priority level. Okay, so which campus is good and which is least and like that. So VIT Vellore is the king, then VIT Chennai, then VIT Bhopal and VIT AP are similar, but VIT AP's placements are slightly better than VIT Bhopal as per the trends. Okay, before going ahead into the video, I will let you know about a company that will help you to get direct admissions into top private universities of India. So for that thing, you need to just contact the number given below on your screen, and just you can contact them and you can ask any doubts regarding the counseling process of any university, any exam, and admission process. You can ask anything, they will help you out, they'll guide you through your journey. So you can just contact them. Let's move ahead into the video. So firstly, talking about VIT Vellore, so which is 372 acres, total area is almost equal to a village, and NRIF ranking is 8. Yeah, better than many of the IITs. Yeah, I don't know how it is like that, but it is so. Okay, now connectivity. So talking about the connectivity, so Chennai railway station is around 142 kilometers from VIT campus, VIT Vellore campus, and airport is around 128 kilometers from the campus. Now talking about the fee structure, so it is like a category system of VIT Vellore. आपने सुना ही होगा, if you have money you have CSE, it's like that. Yeah, if you have money you have CSE. It's correct also in it is correct in many aspects. Okay, so basically VIT follows a category system where there is category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4, category 5. So fees will increase from first category to the last category. Okay, so category fees is around 2 lakhs, category second fees is around 3 lakhs, category third fees is around 4 lakhs, एंड कैटेगरी 4 and 5 फीस इस अराउंड मैं नहीं बताऊंगा क्योंकि आपको इसमें एडमिशन नहीं लेना चाहिए, लेकिन तब भी आप पे बहुत सारा पैसा आया फेंकने के लिए, तो आप बिल्कुल ले सकते हैं. ओके, फुल वीडियो इज देयर ऑन कैटेगरी सिस्टम ऑफ VIT, तो आप उसको जाके चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. लिंक मिल जाएगा आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में, या फिर आप सर्च कर लेना सीधा VIT स्कॉलरशिप करके बाय हेमंत रघुवंशी, ऐसे करके कुछ भी सर्च कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो उसके बाद आ जाते हैं हॉस्टल्स पे. सॉरी, हेमंत रघुवंशी से अब ये चैनल नहीं आएगा क्योंकि वी रिसेंटली चेंज आवर चैनल्स नेम टू द कॉलेज कॉर्नर. ओके, तो यू नीड टू सर्च दैट. हेमंत रघुवंशी से भी आ जाएगा. ओके, नाउ हॉस्टल्स. सो basically there are AC and non-AC both hostels are there in VIT Vellore, and fee and it is still 6 seaters, and the fees is given here from 1.19 lakhs to almost 45,000. Okay, this is separated from mess fees. Mess fees is around 50,000 approx, 10,000 up or down it will be. Okay, this is for boys and for girls it is 1.26 lakh से लेके 90,000 तक कुछ है, पता नहीं, I don't know, and you can check it out here in this screen. मैसेस बोल रहा हूँ. ओके, तो मैथ्स हैं वेज, नॉन वेज एंड स्पेशल मैथ्स. सो वेज की फीस अराउंड 50,000, नॉन वेज की अराउंड 60,000 एंड वन मोर स्पेशल मैथ्स की अराउंड 70,000. या नाउ स्कॉलरशिप, अगर आप CBSE और स्टेट बोर्ड टॉपर्स हैं तो you will be getting full scholarship amount, like you don't need to pay any fees. But if you are state board toppers or CBSE board toppers, you can get direct admission into BITS Plani. Okay, leave it here. I don't know why they kept it like that. Okay, now how to get into VIT. So for getting into VIT you need to give an exam known as VIT EEE exam, which is an entrance exam conducted by VIT Institute of Technology for its all campuses. It is a common test for all campus of VIT, so you can appear in the test in order to get admission into VIT or any of the campuses of VIT. Okay, now talking about the seat matrix. So seat matrix for in VIT main campus is around 2500 seats are there for CSE students, around 260 सीट्स आर देयर फॉर IT, 720 फॉर मैकेनिकल, और बाकी सब भी होती हैं लेकिन मैं नहीं बताऊंगा क्योंकि आपको उनमें ईजिली एडमिशन मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, फिर आ जाते हैं एलिजिबिलिटी के बारे में. तो एलिजिबिलिटी है 60% एग्रीगेट इन योर 12th बोर्ड्स और सिमिलर, एंड if you belong to STSC or like any other special reason, then you can adjust it to 50%. Okay, now talking about the placements, which is of course the most important part of any university. So average placement for VIT Vellore goes around 9 LPA and median package goes around 8 LPA, and highest package is 1.2 CR, which is offered for 2 students from a company in VIT Vellore. Okay, now companies visited. So 860 companies visit every year, 3300 super dream offers. Okay, so super dream offers means above 10 LPA, and okay, so it's like that much placements. So placement तो हाँ भाई अच्छा है, but you also on the same time you also need to look at the number of students, and of course they claim 100% placements, but there's no university in India, even IITs, that can promise 100% of the placements. As you already have heard the news many times that IIT Bombay does not get its 30% of the students placed. Okay, so how can these private universities do? Okay, so I don't know why they claim it like that, but no university has 100% placements. Like few students go to higher studies, you don't want to take job, but there are few students also who don't get job. Okay, so that's it. So yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in next video. Till then, do subscribe to the channel. Bye bye guys.